If you're shopping for safety glasses but don't want to waste money on the wrong pair, stay right here. Today we're counting down the 5 top safety eyewear options from weakest to best so you know exactly which one is right for you. Let's kick things off with the first product in our ranking, the 3M Virtua. This one sits at the bottom of the list not because it's bad, but because it's the most basic out of the 5. It protects your eyes, it's very light, and it has that wraparound shape that gives you a clear field of view without feeling bulky. When you look closely at the features, the 3M Virtua does a solid job where it counts. The lenses block nearly all UV rays, and the scratch-resistant coating helps it handle everyday wear. It's also one of the lightest pairs on the market, which makes it great if you're wearing glasses for long stretches and want to forget they're even there. The trade-off is that you don't get things like anti-fog protection or a sealed design. So if you're working in a humid space, moving between temperatures, or dealing with airborne dust, the 3M Virtua doesn't quite stand up to the more advanced models we'll look at in a moment. It's best for simple environments without heavy dust or moisture. If you just need something affordable, lightweight, and reliable for general tasks, the 3M Virtua is a great fit. And before we continue, quick reminder, you'll find links to the best prices on every product featured today right down in the video description. Next up in 4th place is the KleenGuard Nemesis. It's a clear step up in comfort compared with the previous pair. These glasses are extremely light, the soft touch arms help them stay in place without pressure points, and that wraparound sports design definitely looks good and encourages you to keep them on. As far as protection goes, the Nemesis blocks nearly all UV rays and handles everyday work easily. For outdoor tasks, it's one of the more pleasant safety glasses to wear, thanks to its lightweight build and comfortable grip. It's the kind of eyewear you forget you're wearing, and that's a win on long shifts. The drawback here is similar to the previous model. No anti-fog coating. If you're sweating, working indoors with temperature changes, or in humid areas, visibility may still fog up. It's also worth noting that availability can vary since this specific model is discontinued in some places, which makes replacements less predictable. If you want something comfortable, stylish, and great for outdoor work, Nemesis will make you happy. And before we move on, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss the next one. In 3rd place, we have the EyeArmor Plus from NoCry. This is where things really ramp up in performance. Unlike the 2 earlier entries, this pair includes anti-fog and scratch-resistant coatings, so it's already a big step forward. It's also incredibly lightweight, which makes it easy to wear for full workdays without irritation. The EyeArmor Plus really shines in terms of adjustable fit. You can customize the arms and the nose support so it sits exactly how you want it. If you've ever worn glasses that slide down your face or squeeze behind the ears, that adjustability makes a huge difference. The coatings also give you clearer visibility compared with the 2 earlier models, but it's not perfect for every situation. It's not sealed, so it doesn't protect as well in dusty or high debris environments. And because it isn't designed to fit over prescription glasses, it won't work for everyone. That's where the next 2 products pull ahead in the ranking. If you work in clean environments where comfort, clarity, and fog protection matter most, EyeArmor Plus is a fantastic pick and feels miles ahead of basic safety glasses. Now in 2nd place, we have the NoCry NC-SG-6X3. This one combines the best parts of strong impact protection and practical usability. If you're tired of glasses that leave gaps around the eyes or don't play well with prescription eyewear, the NC-SG-6X3 solves both problems immediately. The big standout here is impact resistance. These lenses are tested for extreme high-velocity impacts, far beyond what you usually see in consumer protective eyewear. It also fits over prescription glasses without squeezing or distorting vision, which is something many fit-over goggles claim but don't always deliver. With anti-fog and anti-scratch coatings built in, visibility stays clear even in challenging environments. Of course, because this is a closed goggle style model, it's bulkier than regular safety glasses. If you work in light indoor conditions, this might feel like overkill, especially compared with the lighter EyeArmor Plus. But if you deal with debris, dust, or grinding particles, there's no comparison. The NC-SG-6X3 outperforms nearly everything below it. If you need full protection and wear prescription glasses, this is the smartest value pick by a mile. But if you're looking for the absolute best performance and sealing, then the #1 spot will interest you even more. Finally, taking the crown as the #1 top-rated safety eyewear, we have the Dewalt. This is simply the most complete protection package of the entire group. It shields the eyes from debris, dust, and moisture better than anything on this list while staying comfortable. The standout feature is the seal. The soft rubber barrier actually molds to the contours of your face instead of pressing against it, and the ventilation system helps prevent fogging even when you're moving between temperature changes. The anti-scratch and anti-fog layers make the lenses hold up under tough conditions, whether you're on a job site, in a workshop, or working outdoors. The only compromise compared with lighter glasses is size. This is full-on goggle protection, so it's not the minimalist look of sports-style glasses. But if you're picking eyewear for heavy work, sanding, grinding, cutting, or dusty environments, this is exactly what you want, and that's why it earns the #1 spot. If maximum protection and long-term durability are your priorities, the Dewalt DPG82 is hands down the best safety eyewear option available right now. If you're ready to pick the right safety glasses for your needs, check the links in the description. They'll take you straight to the best prices on every model featured today. And if you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown.